Look at that. Scooter gang. So here we are at Centennial Park. Nashville, Tennessee. Here we go. Let's see if we can find what we're looking for.
Turn slight right in half a mile, then arrive at your destination on the right.
There we go. Spot what I'm looking for. Now I gotta find someplace close to it. No parking zones. Steer clear of the red zone. There we go. Oh yeah. Style and profile. Check this thing out. Nifty phone holder. Can't really see the display. It's not too bright. Headlight. Tail light, little basket, broken piece of glass in there. All right, so this thing has front and rear brakes, seated position, doesn't really show speed. I think somebody's following me. Lost him. Does need rear view mirrors. In a no zone. Now you know what that sound means. Let's see. Up a slight incline, see how it does. Signal. It sucks. Oh, got some headwind here. Little standing up bumps. Whew. Jars your teeth, that's for sure. It's a bad thing, there's no speed display. If I lived in the city, I would definitely want to use one of these to get about. Handlebar position's not too bad. Seat's not too uncomfortable. That power's slow to roll on sometimes. So what's my impression of the Lime ride-on scooter or sit-down scooter? Overall, I see there's quite a bit of potential in this. I could see it useful for an urban environment where you need to carry a few groceries. It's definitely a lot easier and more comfortable to operate than just the strictly stand-up scooters. But it has some drawbacks. It struggles up slight inclines. I don't know if it's because this unit needed a charge, but it did struggle a bit. Maybe if it had a full charge it would do better. I can see the basket on it being useful for carrying just a few little grocery items. So if you have the ability to try one, I recommend trying it. Cute. Who knows? Maybe if the Nashville test market goes well for Lime, they'll roll this out to other cities, and you'll see these near you. It is definitely cheaper than parking downtown Nashville. So overall, I give it a good thumbs up. Bang, bang. Has some potential. Stay tuned as I will be trying some other urban mobility options as well.